So guys, next problem tayo. Determine x so that x, 2x plus 7, 10x minus 7 will form a geometric progression. So, ulit natin guys, makaka-form lang tayo ng geometric progression kapag meron tayong common ratio. So, ang common ratio niyan is 2x plus 7 all over x. So, kasi adjacent terms sila. 10x minus 7 is equal to 2x plus 7. So, simplify lang natin siya guys. Magiging 4x squared kasi multiply itong dalawa. Kasi ito mamaya. Diba lagay sa fundamentals ng algebra. 14 plus 28x plus 49 is equal to 10x squared minus 7x. So, transpose lang natin sa mga kabilang side, magiging 0. O ito, 10x minus squared, ito, magiging 6. Tapos ito, ililipat doon, magiging 35. Kasi ito, magiging negative 49 kapag nilipat sa kabila. So, magiging 6x squared minus 35x minus 49 is equal to 0. So, matik, gamit tayo ng calculator lang natin. Kung ayaw nyo mag-quadratic formula, mag-calculate lang kayo guys kasi may time limit sa board exam. Equation 6 negative 35 negative 49 okay. So, i-add man lang natin tong whole number, no? X is equal to 7 daw. X is equal to 7. So, yun yung sagot mo. So, yun yung X mo para maging geometric progression sila. Dahil lang siya guys, diba? Basta alamin nyo lang yung common concept ng definition ng geometric progression. May common ratio sila. So, I believe ito siya sa choices. Okay, next. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 189 and the sixth term is 1701. The eighth term is tandaan ulit natin, di ba ang formula ng nth term is equal to A1 R n minus 1. So, unahin natin yung fourth term. Let's say denoted by A4. So, magiging A4 is equal to, wala tayong A1 R n minus 1. Etong A4 pala is 189. So, 189 is equal to A1. Wala tayong common ratio. Yung n natin, 4 minus 1, di ba? Kasi 4th term siya. So, cube, R cube. So, let's say ito yung equation 1 natin. Next, meron tayong 6th term, no? Sa 6th term, let's say A6 siya. So, 1701 is equal to A1 or 6 minus 1 kasi n minus 1 siya. So, raised to 5. So, equation 2. Ang hinahanap natin guys dan 8 term. So, solving lang natin itong 1 and 2. Pwede tayo makakuha dito ng 189 over A1 is equal to R cube. So, pwede nating substitute dito guys. Substitute. Method of substitution. Kayo bahala guys kung anong algebra ang gawin nyo. Pero ako substitution na lang. So, magiging 1701 is equal to mali. In terms of ano na lang pala. R cube is equal to A1. Para makancel. So, 189 over R cube tapos R raised to 5. So, di ba ito makacancel na to guys? Ito magiging squared. So, magiging 1701 over 189 is equal to r squared. So, kulang natin yung square root ng both sides dyan. So, ang common ratio natin is alpha mode math square root ng 1701 all over 189. So, ang common ratio natin is 3. So, may common ratio. So, hindi naman siya hinahanap, no? Ang hinahanap natin yung 8th term. Pero meron na tayong idea kung ano yung ratio. So, dito pala masasolve din natin itong A1 eh. Based on this, masasolve natin itong A1 base dito. So, ang magiging A1 natin is 189 over 3. Nasaan yun? Nasaan ang exponent? Shift cube. 7. So, yan pala yung first term natin, 7. Next, A8 naman. So, ang A8, 8th term, denoted by A8 is equal to A1, Rn minus 1 pa rin. So, A8 is equal to 7. Common ratio is 3. N minus 1 is 7. So, yan ay sagot natin, guys. 7, 3. Saan po ba sa calcu yun? Hindi ko makita. I think ito siya. No, mali. 7 raised to 3. 7, 3 raised to 7. 15,309. Yan na yung 8th term natin. I believe sa choices, ito siya. Agad na lang sa isolve guide. So, ang next problems natin, yung difficult na, medyo difficult kasi application na ng geometric progression sa worded problem. So, like and subscribe guys and click the bell button para updated tayo sa mga susunod nating videos. So, patayon, engineers!